Well, we are going out and we're gonna see if anything survived. Crazy first snow that we got here in Colorado in early September. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Things are melting very quickly. I'm getting dripped on right now by the tree actually, so I'm gonna walk out here. So, I'm not counting on zucchini and warm weather things to bounce back. Got down to about 23 degrees last night, and then we had a really heavy snow that came through as well. I'll post some pictures of it here for you. That came through and it bent a lot of branches. This peach tree is looking okay though. But we also have crops that should be just fine. It's heading up a little bit too. The charge should be okay. Green onions come back every year regardless of the weather, so I'm not too worried about those guys. Just a bit of a bummer to have to say goodbye to the focal points of the garden. So you see those big beautiful squash plants back here that had all those variegated leaves. Oh, look at the turkey vulture. We usually don't have to worry about snow or frost until about a month out. Mid-October would be like the earliest. This year, you know, good old 2020 decided that it would come a little bit sooner. Anyway, sorry, I got distracted by a bird. Sweet potato leaves do not like frost at all, so they are definitely gone. That sunflower that was way up high just toppled right over. I actually went through and Nick went through and cut off most of the flowers to bring inside, but I left a few of them for the bees and any other pollinators that are still sticking around and trying to figure out what happened. Cucamelon trellis is leaning. Oh wow, this eggplant actually looks pretty good. I'm not sure how. Oh my goodness, these sweet potato vines are so ugly right now. Beans looked pretty much gone. Oh, look at the okra. Oh yeah, that heavy snow did a number on the okra. Woof. But we have plenty of carrots that'll do. They'll do just fine. You see them down there. Tuck those back in. Hello, sunflower. Ooh, I'm really cold. Here's where I cut the head off. Well, that's good. I'd say it's still about like 35 degrees or something right now. Swiss chard should make a comeback. It's, in my experience, oh my goodness, I'm sorry about that bird. In my experience, it tolerates really hot weather, it tolerates really cold weather. It's just a really awesome plant to have in your garden. Yeah, just a few damaged leaves, but overall it looks pretty good. Should bounce back. We'll walk over here. Creeping thyme is just fine and will be a welcome addition this winter. Oh my gosh. We need to bury that compost, don't we? We have, ooh, yeah, wow, it stinks. I'll just talk to you like this. We have a woman who lives locally that drops off compostables and food waste and stuff. In return, I give her some produce from our garden. And I guess she just dropped off a bunch of whole produce. I'm just trying to get warm. Now I'm in the chicken pen and this is just dripping on me, so hold on. Okay, anyway. Here is my prized loofah. Check her out. She's like not totally limp, which is really, really amazing. But you can see, oh gosh, hold on. Really getting dripped on. I'm gonna zoom in. You can see I had 1 and 2 little blooms. So no loofah this year, but I was pretty proud of myself for getting it to this point. and we'll just have to try again, but the plant itself looked really healthy. Here is my Kajari melon and Minnesota midget melon, which I already harvested the one melon from each of these plants, as well as this little, oh, what did I call it? Oh, look, there's another one. I will put it on here because I just can't remember the name of it. But I didn't even notice this little guy. Hey, maybe everything will shock me and actually make a comeback, because the weather is not supposed to stay like this. It's supposed to be in the 80s, high 80s again at the end of this week. I'll just make a September snowman. Or like a 2020 snowman, aka I'm not gonna try too hard. Oops, okay, well, there he is. About a month ago, Nick and I planted out radishes and carrots in this bed, but the squirrels found a way to get in. You see the hail damaged the wire where it was connected to this board right here, and they've just been letting themselves in and out. And we haven't had time to fix it, and they dug up all the seeds and seedlings that we planted, so no fall radishes and carrots for us. Not that that really matters, because apparently it's winter now. We're supposed to be able to see a mountain right there, so it looks like maybe more snow is trying to come. Hello, little tomato. Hang on, little tomato, I guess is what that song is called. It's fitting right now. Hang on. But some of these look okay. It still has a nice texture to it. Huh, interesting. Just when you think 2020 couldn't shock you anymore, it gives you a snowstorm in the beginning of September. I think I'll go show you the front yard here, but I don't think I'll be talking because I hear someone out there and I feel weird talking to myself on camera, so maybe I'll just let you enjoy some music. Wow, this actually bounced back. I'm curious to see how it does in the next couple of days.